Alright guys, today we're going to be fixing up a plow for an ATV for a friend of mine.
You look a bit dusty in there. Oh, much better.
It's getting some pretty bad wear going on here on this bottom mounting bracket. Had these put on quite a while back. Just some steel strapping, and as you can see on this one, it is just totally worn through that strapping running on the pavement, and it's actually got some cracks there in the pipe. So we're gonna do a little reinforcing, do a bit of welding with the Miller Multimatic 200, and we'll get this thing fixed up for him. So I think first off, get this cleaned up a bit. I'm gonna try to get a little channel run in here with my grinder and fill that in. Do the same on this crack here. I think my plan is to get something like that going, get that thing welded in, and I just trying to use some of what I have around the house here. So I have a 20 foot stick of rebar, and I think I'm just gonna run 2 pieces of 1/2 inch rebar all the way down each side, and that'll give him something good to wear down, and then hopefully by the time them wear down, he'll notice it before it gets through the pipe like this one did. So we're gonna get started here. sort of do a little bit of stick, it's working better getting the root of this rebar in the middle here. We're just running some 1/8 inch 6011, running 90 amps, and this thing's just doing awesome. Alright guys, well, we just finished up here. Dark now. Been raining and snowing and everything else. I was trying to hustle up. I wanted to stop the time lapse there a few times and talk a little bit, but I just had to get this shit done and get on with it. But like I showed you at the beginning, I had that hole worn in the top here. I put that piece of 3/16 strap on that, covered it up, put this piece of angle iron. If you remember the crack, there was a crack here and a crack down here, so that'll be a nice little backbone for that. Welded it solid to that pipe on either side, and then took this 1/2 inch rebar here and just doubled it up there, little runners, so that should give them a few years. Was messing around with the stick lead on the Miller Multimatic 200 there, is running some 6011 like I said, 1/8 inch 90 amps to get down in between this crack here and put some tacks. And you know, I hadn't really used the stick mode on that welder much, but I gotta say that thing's pretty sweet all around. Good package. So that'll wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed watching that little video. If you like these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button, tell me what you thought, and give it a like. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.